For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Supreme Court of India has chosen to refrain from passing judgments in the Italian Marines case until Italy compensates the kin of victims. Supreme Court's decision has come as the centre requested the apex court to withdraw cases following a decision of a UN tribunal. Let Italy pay them compensation. Only then we will allow the withdrawal of prosecution. Bring the checks and the relatives of victims here. The apex court also asked the centre to file an application making the family a party to the case within a week. In a recent ruling, the Hague-based Permanent Court of Arbitration ruled that the Italian Marines enjoyed immunity under the United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea. The law prevents the Marines from being tried in Indian courts. Italian Marines Massimiliano Latorre and Salvatore Gironi are entitled to immunity from the jurisdiction of Indian courts in relation to the acts occurred during the incident of February 15, 2012. India is therefore precluded from exercising its jurisdiction over the Marines. The arbitral tribunal has therefore agreed on the Italian position that the Marines, being members of the Italian armed forces in the official exercise of their duties, cannot be tried by Indian courts. However, a United Nations tribunal said that India is entitled to compensation for the loss of lives. India is entitled to compensation in connection with loss of life, physical harm, material damage to property, and moral harm suffered by the captain and other crew members of the fishing boat that came under fire, St. Anthony. The Supreme Court said that it needs to hear the victims' families first before the cases can be withdrawn. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who is appearing for the centre, has told the apex court that Italian courts will criminally prosecute the two Marines. The Italian government has also said that it will pay maximum compensation to the kin of the victims. The case against the Italian Marines was being investigated by the National Investigation Agency. Prior to the ICJ's and the UN Tribunal's 3:2 judgment, the Kerala High Court in May 2012 had held that India had the jurisdiction to try the Italian Marines. The High Court added that as the act of shooting fishermen by the Marines was neither in defense of the vessel nor the state, the courts could try the Marines. The Indian Home Ministry in January 2014 had initially given a sanction to prosecute the Marines under the Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against the Safety of Maritime Navigation. The ministry also allowed the prosecution under fixed platforms on Continental Shelf Act and for murder and attempt to murder. The second act provides for a death penalty. The sanctions were withdrawn a month later after a review of charges showed that the case did not warrant the application of the acts. The Indian government had accused Italy of trying to delay the prosecution of the Marines. The two Italian Marines, Massimiliano Latorre and Salvatore Gironi, are accused of killing two unarmed Indian fishermen off the coast of Kerala on 15 February 2012.